The MW120T44 is a high-quality, low-profile tilt mount designed with safety and ease of install in mind. It's ideal for all TVs up to 120 pounds and a maximum mounting hole spacing of 430 by 400 millimeters. Installation takes just a few simple steps. Here's how. Choose the location where you want to mount your TV and use a stud finder to locate the studs. Once you find them, use the wall plate as a template with level attached on the wall. Mark your pilot holes and drill. Install the wall plate. Attach the rails to the back of your TV, being careful not to over-tighten. With assistance, hang the TV on the wall plate. Engage the rail locks and you're done. This flat panel TV wall mount is not only simple to install, but has all the features you want. It has a low 1.87-inch mounting profile. It's VESA compliant, up to 430 by 400, and includes all necessary hardware, eliminating the need for a trip to the hardware store. MW Mounts is a company with over 25 years of mounting experience, dedicated to bringing you high-quality mounting solutions at aggressive retail price points. Rest assured you've made the right choice.